been mentioning for the past 2 days, gas prices just continue to rise. As a result, President Biden this morning announced 50 million barrels of oil will be released from the nation's reserves.
Our national correspondent Joe St. George now joining us live from Washington, D.C. to explain the impact this could have on gas prices. And I was just talking to some family members the other day. They were reminiscing on when it was under $1, so they're definitely looking forward to hopefully some change. So how soon could we start seeing a price drop?
Yeah, we're at a 7-year high in terms of gas prices, so your family's not wrong in that people are feeling this impact. Nevada feeling it to some degree worse than a lot of other states. They're well above the national average. You guys are well above the national average, approaching $4 with last look from AAA. So the big question, right, what does this decision by President Biden mean for you and your family if you're preparing to hit the road? Maybe you're heading over to Utah for the Thanksgiving holiday. To some degree, we're very much in uncharted territory. This is only the fourth time that the United States president has tapped into the strategic reserve. Former President George Herbert Walker Bush did it following the Gulf War. Former President George W. Bush did it after Hurricane Katrina. Former President Barack Obama did so during some civilian unrest in Libya. But never before have we seen a president tap into this as a direct result, really, of high prices. Other countries are going to be tapping into their reserves as well, releasing a global supply. United Kingdom will be doing this, India, some other Asian countries. But in terms of the real world impact, when could prices go down in Las Vegas? We're going to have to see what OPEC Plus, the oil-enriched petroleum countries of the world, United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, what do they think about this decision by the president today? In fact, before today, they threatened to take action to raise prices back up again if the U.S. went into their reserve. So in terms of what you can expect, in theory, a decrease would be expected as a direct result of this. If you're driving to grandma's house, maybe wait until the last possible moment to refill up your gas price, because in theory, gas will be heading down in the coming days, not up.
All right, our own Joe St. George reporting live from Washington, D.C. Thanks for your perspectives, Joe. We appreciate that.